In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your name in Google Classroom. Changing your name in Google Classroom is actually done through your Google account, not directly inside Classroom itself. That means when you update your name in your Google account settings, that new name will show up in all Google services that use your profile, including Classroom, Gmail, and Google Meet. So keep in mind, you're changing it everywhere, not just for one class. First, make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account in your browser. This is especially important if you use more than one account, like a school account and a personal one. If you're on a shared computer, double-check you're not on someone else's profile before you start. Next, open Google Classroom in your browser and confirm you're logged into the account whose name you want to change. Once you've confirmed that, you're ready to head into your account settings. Look toward the top right corner of the screen for your profile picture or the initial of your name. Click on it and a small menu will appear. In that menu, select the option that takes you to Manage your Google account. This will open a new page or tab with your main Google account settings. On this page, you'll see several tabs across the top or down the side, such as Home, Personal Info, Data, and Privacy, and so on. Click on the one labeled Personal Info. This is where Google keeps all your basic account details, including your name. Under the Profile section, find the Name field. You should see your current first and last name displayed there. Click on it to open the name editor. Now, carefully type in the new first name and last name you want to use. Take a moment to double-check spelling and capitalization, since this is how your name will appear to your teachers and classmates in Google Classroom. When you're happy with how it looks, save your changes. Google may take a short time to update, but usually it's almost instant. To confirm that it worked, go back to Google Classroom and refresh the page. Your new name should now appear in your classes, on assignments, and anywhere your name shows within Classroom. If you don't see the change right away, try refreshing again, or signing out and back into your account. Also remember that some schools restrict name changes on managed accounts. If you don't see the option to edit your name, you may need to contact your school's IT administrator, and that's all there is to it.